So yeah, that was the first test drive with the car. Turned out really good. It was just a little test drive in my neighborhood. And now we're working on the body. So I finished already the fender. So here in the front here was a really big dent. And that is nice and flush again. The hood is still messed up. So I guess I just get a new one from the junkyard somewhere. Have to search that. And right here was a big dent, and yeah, so the fan, and working on the drawers because someone tried here to break into the car or something. So I finished it here. So this door is good, and yeah, the quarter panel is also good again. That was a lot of work because that was really bended, and I tried to remove it from the inside, but yeah. So here we got the holes for the moldings, the fender flares and the moldings around the doors. And yeah, I ordered a set of moldings, but the quality was not really good. So what I decided is that I clean it. So I weld all the holes and have a clean body. So no holes, just paint, and that's it. So here's the driver door. There was a big dent. That is already good. It's a first step on the passenger door on the driver's side. So still needs a lot of work, but yeah, that's a process, yeah, you know. And yeah, here that's like it was under the fender flare. It's just dirt. It's not big rust under there, just a little bit. On the other side there's a little bit more, but nothing really bad. So I removed all the scratches on the trunk. I don't know why there are so much scratches. I guess somebody just threw their stuff on the trunk after a shopping trip or whatever. And I removed the water channel stripes. Yeah, so first I want to get new ones, but they are really expensive, so I still have to restore them. And I ordered all these little clips here because they're really flimsy. Okay, after nearly 30 years, so the most of them just broke off. So yeah, I ordered them, and then we go right.